Hello friends, welcome to our channel Inhouse ERP. In this video, I will let you know how a registered user login in iFMS ERP system. In previous video, we registered a user, select email ID, click on faculty officers login panel. Now enter the registered email ID with the system. Click on login. Select the password received in the email ID. And login. Now you see we will come in the user profile section. This module basically for budget booking of the faculty or user. So now we don't have any data right now. In next video I will let you know how to update your profile. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share, and if any query, please email us on inhouseerp@gmail.com. Thank you.